Floating. He's floating. I like floating.
This is mommy's kind of rafting.
Yeah. I like this kind of rafting, babe.
Mommy.
I like floating.
Mommy, wait until class 3. Mommy, wait until class 3.
Patton's run. Patton's runs in class 2.
That's what
The
that
other
is
one's
right
in
there?
class 3. The one's the other one's in class 4. That was the first one.
I thought that was Patton's room like that there.
But the first one was
Oh, wait for that, wasn't it? As we're on the rock. Rock! I just didn't know. Right, wait for my friend.
yeah, the only reason that lesser is a class 3 is because of the hydraulic. It's not too much worse than that. I mean, it has a drawback. Really nice. Back it up. Back it up.
Mommy, you like rafting?
Oh, yeah. Ask her at the end of the trip. Ask her at the end. So far, it's okay.
Say what?
I can't spinning thing back there.
That's what's fun. Otherwise, the whole trip's like this.
You this in your bathtub.
Just floating.
Hey!
Okay, paddle.
Get a little fog on your lens.
Stop.
Top.
Filming? Yep, we're recording.
It's fine.
Alright, get ready, guys. Get ready. Hang on. There you go. Hang on. You get the here. You're fine. Paddle. Stop. Paddle. Paddle, 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 paddle. Stop. Paddle. Hold on. Paddle. Stop. Try to turn it around. Paddle. Stop. There you go, man.
Yeah, perfect!
Feelings, guys.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that wasn't enough. That was a splash. Yeah, you went down.
I thought that's how it
Oh,
I did. Did you get splashed?
A little bit.
Splashed.
What do you think about that pyramid rock?
That was fun. That was fun. Yeah, it was cold.
Yeah.
That was a cold.
That was different.
Paddle.
Hey, you said paddle.
Stop.
Oh, man, she's stop. I was stop. Look at that spider web going all the way down. Oh, wow. Oh, well, that would make more sense, wouldn't it?
Did you say spider web?
It looked like a spider web.
Like
spider
it looked like the sun
Oh.
was catching the
But
spider web.
60
He's like,
feet
nope,
long.
that's a fishing line.
Oh.
He's like, okay.
See, Daddy? Daddy?